Ranger Peeps! Yeah, I make stuff. Why, hello there, I'm Ranger Peeps, and welcome back to another video where I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a artificial killing AI robot Terminator in Minecraft Bedrock Edition with pineapples. No, I'm kidding. With command blocks. So, but before we get into the actual commands, let me show you a demonstration. Now, if you want the Terminator to actually kill somebody and not just wander around aimlessly, you have to tag whatever you want to kill with the tag target. So you type tag, and then the thing you want to tag. So let's say you want it to attack every creeper. E type equals creeper, but we don't want it to attack creepers. For demonstration purposes, we want it to attack us. Add, and then target. So once we type that, let's get ourselves kitted out real quick. Put on the armor, because this Terminator packs a bit more than a punch, to say the least. So to spawn it, you saw on the sign, do /summon skeleton, name Terminator, and then tilde, 3 blocks up, and we'll say about like 10 blocks away. We say that, and then we gotta run, because this thing is going to be tracking and trying to kill us. So let's run away, and let's try to get him to load down. So he will place blocks to try and attack us if there is air or if there is water. So as you can see, he's kind of placing it and breaking it. Now, same thing will happen with water. You're trying to get him to lower down to ground level. You can see, there he is. And the speed is adjustable. So, let's see. Let's try and get him on ground level. Now, let's try and get him to walk in the lava. Now, come on. Go up, dude. Stop digging for the ground. Well, he can dig, so you can't just mine to escape him. But if he were to walk on the lava, he would place some water and then make it obsidian. Now, he just killed us, so as you can see, even with good armor, he's pretty deadly. So as you can see, there he is. Let's try and climb up a ladder to escape him. Now, as we're climbing the ladder, I also want to tell you that even though you can't really see it, depending on what block it is that is in front of him, he will use a different tool. So if it's like stone or anything, he'll use a pickaxe. If it's wood, he'll use an axe. But here he is, bridging up to us, cobblestone in hand, and he'll change what's in his hand depending on what he needs to do. For Ender Pearl, and it's too late. He already killed us. So yeah, you can kill him. You shoot an arrow at him. He blocks it and will hold up a shield. Never mind, no he doesn't. Oh, yep, there he is. See that? He just held up a shield. If there's an arrow that gets near him, don't start the command blocks, no. If the arrow gets near him, he holds up his shield and will not, no! Holds up a shield and will not be able to be hit. See. Sometimes it doesn't work, but he's digging, and run, no! And we died. Now, I did make him slower than the players, so we don't get stuck in an infinite death loop, but that is a demonstration of the Terminator. Now, enough talking said, let's get into the tutorial. Hello, let's get into the tutorial. Are you ready, Mr. Cow? You better be ready. Okay, so to start the tutorial, enter chat, type /give, at S or at P, command _block. Why, hello there. So type it in and place one down. Set it to repeat, unconditional, always active, and type this command inside of it. What this command is doing is it is making it so the Terminator's legs will look iron and shiny. You want to place one on top of that. Same settings. And a very similar command, except this one's making the chest piece nice and shiny. Now, these are all just aesthetics, but it makes them look like a Terminator. So, right here, this one is making it so it has iron leggings. And finally, the one on top right here gives it iron boots. Now that is out of the way, place down a command block, up like this, facing up in that direction, same settings. And this basically kills any arrow in the 2-block radius of the Terminator. Crouch, and directly on top of that, place a command block, make sure it's facing upwards, with chain conditional always active settings. And place this command. So what these 2 command blocks are doing is it's based off the Terminator. It gets rid of any arrows in 2-block radius of it, and then makes it hold out shield. Makes it look like as if he's blocking it. Now, I recommend maybe changing the settings a little bit, because as you saw in the demonstration, it's a bit buggy. Next to that, the same command, a very different command. And what this does is it detects if there is stone in front of it, and then puts an iron pickaxe in its hand. Top of that command block is a very important one. It's a repeat unconditional always active, just like the last one. This affects anything in a 4-block radius of the Terminator, and it deals damage. Now, if you want it to be slower, you can change this to like wither, or you can do fatal poison. This command right here. And you can also change the radius of that number right after R equals. That's the radius. That's done. Next one is the most important one. And this is what the Terminator uses to move. It's not actually moving, but what it's doing is teleporting the Terminator 0.1 of a block facing the direction of anything the tag equals target. On top of that bad boy is just a command block that gives the Terminator fire resistance. So let's say you're in the Nether, it will not burn or catch on fire. If we go around this area, there's a command block, and what this is doing is this allows the Terminator to break blocks. It is taking the head block of the Terminator and the leg blocks Terminator and making sure that that is always air. On top of that, this one is just detecting is there a log in front of it, and if there is a log in front of it, it'll hold out an axe. So we have these 3 command blocks right here. Now, these are all how it places blocks. Place a repeat in command block down, and this is the command block that detects if there's air beneath it and makes it place cobblestone so it's not just flying. On top of that, make sure you're facing directly on top of that, chain conditional active. This command block, what it's basically doing is it's replacing the item in the hand of the Terminator with cobblestone. Last 2 command blocks are very similar. This one detects if there's lava beneath it. It places a block of obsidian, and then it makes the Terminator hold a bucket of water to make it look like it's splashing the obsidian. Splashing the lava with water. And finally, the last 2 command blocks. This detects if there's water beneath it and makes it hold cobblestone. And there you have it, folks. That's how you make the Terminator that I showed earlier in Minecraft Bedrock Edition, so MCPE, Switch, any console, with only command blocks, no mods whatsoever. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please, please, please subscribe. It would make my day, and I shall see you in the next video. Goodbye.